Hello everyone, this is Florida and Elevators here. As you can see, I'm filming with my new camera. So Jonathan, Texas Elevators Garage Door Opener, what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to show you my garage door opener. So anyways, I hope you like this video. It's my first video on a brand new camera. So anyways, here we go. So anyways, here's my garage door opener. This video is gonna be for Texas Elevators Garage Door Opener, and this is gonna be a test video on my new camera. So, anyways, here it is. It is a Liftmaster professional, let me zoom in on it. It's a Liftmaster professional 1.5 HP Chamberlain garage door opener from 2003. So anyways, I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. Oh my gosh, I am not shaking at all. Alright, I'm gonna demonstrate it. So anyways, here is it going. Alright. Love you. Okay. I'm gonna open it one more time for you. See, here's the controls for it right here. Focus, good. Focus very fast. There's the chain. There's the equipment. And as you can see, there's my scooter, of course. Zoom in on that. Okay, I'll close it now. See, there's your light button. See, I just turned the light on there off. Alright. Anyways, I hope you liked that video, and that's it.